Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Sims 4. To begin, open your Sims inventory, usually found at the bottom right of your screen. Click and drag any item you wish to sell directly into the Sell slot, which looks like a Simoleon icon. This instantly converts your unwanted items into valuable Simoleons, providing a quick and easy way to clear clutter and earn some extra cash for your household. For a more immersive selling experience, consider opening a retail store with the Get to Work expansion. You can set up displays, hire employees, and manage prices to attract customers. Crafted items, such as masterpieces from the painting easel or delicious baked goods from the oven, often fetch higher prices. Experiment with different markups, perhaps 25 to 50%, to find your sweet spot for profit and sales volume. If you have the nifty knitting stuff pack, the Plopsy online marketplace is a fantastic option. Simply list your handmade items, like knitted sweaters or woodworking creations, and wait for a buyer. You'll receive a notification when an offer comes in. Additionally, look out for the flea market event in the City Living expansion. Setting up a table there allows you to sell directly to other Sims, often at competitive prices, making it a lively way to earn. To truly maximize your profits, focus on skill development. A Sim with a high painting skill, for instance, will produce masterpieces worth thousands of simoleons. Pay attention to in-game trends. Sometimes certain items are more sought after. For retail stores, invest in perks like Serious Shopper or faster checkout to increase customer satisfaction and sales volume. Remember, quality and presentation significantly impact how much Sims are willing to pay for your goods.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.